Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Fire Stick buffering issue instantly and enjoying smooth no lag streaming easily.
Fix 1. Restart Fire Stick Step 1. Go to Settings Step 2. Select My Fire TV Step 3. Click Restart. Fix 2. Restart Wi-Fi Router Step 1. Turn off the router Step 2. Wait 30 seconds Step 3. Turn it back on. Fix 3. Clear App Cache Step 1. Go to Settings Application Step 2. Open Manage Installed Application Step 3. Select the Streaming App Step 4. Click Clear Cache. Fix 4. Check Internet Speed Step 1. Go to Settings, Network Step 2. Run Check Network Step 3. Make sure speed is 10 megabits per second or higher. Fix 5. Free up storage Step 1. Go to Settings Application Step 2. Uninstall unused apps. Fix 6. Update Fire Stick Step 1. Go to Settings My Fire TV Step 2. Select About Step 3. Click Check for updates. Fix 7. Reduce streaming quality Step 1. Open the Streaming app Step 2. Go to Settings Step 3. Set video quality to HD or Auto.